Hello, good morning again. Um, Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. I'm Hilda, your host. Today we have an unbagging. When I buy diamond paintings from Amazon, sometimes I get an email of suggestions for diamond paint. Sometimes I hit the shop and sometimes I look at it and make a decision of buying them. This is from a store that I haven't seen yet on YouTube. It's called HRank. And you're going to have the link below for all these diamond paints from these stores. And I noticed that on the seal to open, it has BL Seki. If that's the correct way to pronounce. So let's start looking at this. Let's get started. I don't know, as soon as I open this, I put the picture in there. Oh, this is a nice one. These are hummingbirds. And this is a 30 by 40. Let me. Okay. These are the hummingbird. Let me put it on the side. It has 27 color and it has the DMC code, but it only has it in one side. Here is, I put in a picture of it so you can see it better, because sometimes these thumbnails, they don't. And this paper look like it's way overboard. I'm gonna cut it a little bit because it's too much. It's too much on the side. So, how you doing, everyone? Are doing okay? Did you look at the debate last night? I didn't. I figure I have better things to enjoy in life. And I was finishing my my chocolate and then doing some drills. Storage, leftover drills from the chocolate. I always keep a leftover because the other day, no, on this one was that I was missing some 312, and it happens that I have some leftovers. So these are 2 hummingbirds. Here's the other one. The drill field looks okay. Let me pull it from here. It's more like, looks like a cellophane type cover. Let's look at the drill field. Here. Let me pull you down. Maybe you'll be able to see it better. Let's put some light. I can see the symbols. I think they're pretty clear. They have the training wheel on this one. This is a round 2. Yet 27 colors. Only one side of the canvas has the, let me put you back up. well, I can't leave it there because I'm going to show you the drills. They have the color list in only one side of the canvas. So let's see. They have few symbols. These three symbols over here is going to be a little confusing. You have to be careful when you deepin like this. So you won't change the symbol and the color. Usually on these ones like this, I try to make a copy of this, of the color list. The canvas is like canvas, but it's kind of a little soft. You know, pliable, I mean. It's flexible, manageable. And it has the brand name. It's Blacksec or BL So this is nice. This is a good one for the spring. You get the standard 2 kit, but this one has some baggies and a 3 placer, a 3 or a 4 placer. Oh, the drills are on those bags that most of us hate. Let's see. Yeah. Here are some of the colors. Is 27 colors. Oh boy, to kit up this. So it has those little baggies with the at least the number, you can see it. Here's one. The pretty ones. I'm not gonna pull all this. Here's some of the greens. Some of the kind of light mustard orange. So this is a cute one. Let's see how it turns out. It's a 30 by 40, so it should be okay. Okay, let me pull you up so you can see the next one. Zoom you up. Okay, let's see which one is this one. I don't put them back in these bags. There is no way. I stretch them down on the back. I have a room. Oh yes, now I remember. I'm sorry. This is image of a house in a lake. I'm gonna put the image up. I couldn't recognize the thumbnail, and it's because I had it upside down. Again, too much paper on the side. I guess they have a different method of putting the paper cover. I'm just gonna cut these to size. This is a 40 by 30. It has a lot of detail though. It has 27 colors. The DMC codes are in there on the color list. And and put the picture on it. I'm so sure about how this one's gonna turn out. Because of the detail, but I hope it's okay. This is part of the scenes that I like. It has two birds over here that I can recognize. The house is over here, and the mirror reflect is in here. This is the lake. There's some trees in here. So it's pretty recognizable. Well, never mind. I can recognize the element. That's what I'm trying to say. And again, this is round with the training wheels. It has the training wheels in some areas they don't. Again, these letters and symbols, as you can see. And it's a nice landscape. Okay, the drills again. The standard 2K. Oh, this one has a big chunk of wax. And the baggies. I don't know if there are enough in there or not, but I'll save them. Because sometimes this kit like this, I don't put it in a case. I just bag them. And this one, it seems like they're using this type of bagging of the drills. Yep, 27 colors. Let's see, there's gonna be a lot of greens in here. Let's take a few out and see them. 33, 46. Oh, this is gonna be nice. They're loose, and then you have two of the same, so you're gonna have to the drills looks okay to me. Hardly no dimples and no trash. This is another type of green, but this is kind of like a teal green. Here's a lighter green. We have some blue tools for the lake. $8.26 and $30.12 is this one. We have some nice blue. Oh, two hitchhiker. Hey, give me a ride. Here's another dark blue. These are the browns, $8.44 and $8.44, two of the same. I'm not gonna do inventory of this. I'll do inventory of this when I take a copy of it. Look at this green yellow, $38.19. At least there are no loose drills in the bag. They are not in pack of 200s, you know, like on these ones that have a lot. They pack it. The only difference is they don't put it like together. They're not attached. But that's okay. So let's take one more time about this landscape Oh, I'm doing it upside down. Boy, there is a lot. But these are quickie because I have too many Diamond Art Club that are so big. And I just got out of that chocolate that it was 75 by 55. And let me do it the other way. The canvas is a little wrinkle, but it's outside. It's not inside the canvas, so that's okay. I just need to do some small ones, but I'm doing the bird ones for the drills and shield. Now I can finish it today. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is a cutie that I did like. The standard 2 kit with some baggies. This is a cutie. This remind me of, I think it's Ralph or Randall, an artist licensed by DAC that had these cute dragons diamond paintings. And this is reminding me, I have to look at twice to make sure that there was not a copyright violation. These are frogs. These are not dinosaurs. So I'm putting the picture up there. This is a cutie. And remember, when these unbaggings, the links are going to be below. If they're out of stock, I will notify you on the link on the description box. So, God, this has excess of. This is another 30 by 40, just like the previous two. And this is really cutie. This is also round with training wheel. This one has 26 color, and also have one colorless underneath the thumbnail. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I put a picture up there so you can see it. And again, letters and symbols, and 26 colors. I like this one too. And there's 3 frogs in here and 1 down here. They're looking at the flies. I forgot how you guys call it, these night flies. And the moon, which can be, some of these I'll be using some ABs to highlight some areas, but not that much. And the drill fill, if you can see it, it's pretty clear to me. You still need a light pad on these ones. But it's not a problem. If I do them during the daytime, but sometimes I have a small bed lap desk, the same color as my table, and sometimes I go at night to bed and do some DP. So I like these little frogs. Like I said, it reminds me of those dragons from DAC, but it's not. I had to look at twice to make sure that there was not a copyright violation in there. I don't want to deal with that. There's some of the colors. Again, they come in these loose bags. Oh, look at these teal, this green teal. There's gonna be a lot of greens because of the frogs. This is a green teal. More like it. With this green, so pretty. And look Look at these blue ones. This like a light pink. Some more green. Some gray. This is like a dark plum color. This is a chartreuse. If I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, I don't mind you guys correcting me, my pronunciation, but I know I cannot hear you in the comments, so might as well do it on my Facebook page. God, these were stuck together. These are probably colors for the Flyer 5. And the rest are basically the same and a repeat. Let's see how these ones turns out. If I choose from this company the first one to do, I will choose this one, the frog. Again, let's take a look at this. You might be able to see more defined than me because I'm closer to it. But I like this pawn. I like this one. I love all of them. Hi. My husband keeps looking. He goes, because the DAC stack, which I showed you a picture, is in our bedroom. And every time, he was the one who fixed those. And at one point he entered into the room and looked at it. What the hell is going on? These things is growing. It's going to go up to the ceiling. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Remember, love and peace. Hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so you will see about more videos. Sorry, I'm being a little behind on my videos, especially on finishing the mini apartment because of the chocolate. So that took me a chunk of my time. And I had to make time for my fur baby, as you all know. So have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. Bye.